Hey guys, your girl Keandra, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm super excited to finally get my hands on one of these wigs. If you read the title, I finally got a headband wig. So I want to thank the company for sending me this wig to review. And if you want to see how it looks on me, then stay tuned.
Who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a zen, 13 hours till I land. Have me out like a light.
Okay, so the wig I got is a 14-inch water wave headband wig. In your box, you're going to receive your wig and two headbands. So this one and this one, which are super cute. And of course you can have your own headbands if you like, but I do love that the company actually sent over two headbands to go along with the wig. And if you've watched other headband wig videos, then you would know that it comes with a standard black headband already attached to the wig. So I'm gonna open it. And inside you get the wig. It has a little lunch lady net on it. Oh God, it's so staticky. And then it comes with, it's filled with paper. And then inside you get a little note that has the information on it. And yeah, all this information. I'll have that in the description box below. So like I was saying before, it does come with the standard black headband wig already attached to it. And it is Velcro. And inside you get one comb at the back. And then 1, 2, 3 combs at the front. So this is what the hair looks like. It is a water wave texture. And this is 14 inches. I probably should have got my water bottle, but I probably won't wet it. I don't know, we'll see. There is a little bit of shedding, but I mean, it is curly hair. But other than that, it's nothing too bad that you can't handle. Fingers go through it like so. There's no snags, no tangles. And once I got those little strands off, there's no more shedding. It doesn't have a weird smell. It just kind of smells like hair, I guess. If you order bundles, then you know what I'm talking about. So I've already done my edges because I do like that look with the edges out. I don't like it when the headband covers your edges. However, you can wear it that way. So if you do have thinning edges or no edges, this wig is perfect for you. However, I have my edges out. So yes, let's put on the wig. So I'm putting the combs underneath my wig cap. And I will say that this wig is very snug. Like y'all, this wig is not going anywhere, like at all. And then I'm going to Velcro this at the back. Just like that. And voila, we have the wig on. Now I am going to push mine back just a little bit because like I said, I like for some of my hair to show. So it looks more natural, but you don't have to. You could leave it just like this if you would like, but I'm not. Okay, let's scoot that back just a little bit. Yeah, I like it like that. Okay, cool. So let me go ahead and just put these combs back in. I think I'm just gonna use one comb, to be honest with you, because I just don't want all that tension in the front of my head. And this is the look, y'all. Now I kind of want to go in with some water and maybe define it a little bit more. So let me go get my water bottle and I'll be right back. So I'm just gonna take my spray bottle and just spray it a little bit just to activate the curls a little bit more. And then I'm gonna take my paddle brush and brush through it. I just really want the ends of the curls to curl up instead of being straight. Y'all, this is so cute. Oh, I love it. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. That's so cute. Okay, we'll do the other side. Okay, cool. So this is what the hair looks like wet. Now it's not drenched, but this is how I would wear it like out and about, like before I get ready for work or something. This is how I would just spray it and then go about my day. So now I'm going to try on these headbands just to show you guys what they look like. Let's open this one first. And it's so funny because this one kind of matches my shirt. I didn't know what they were going to give. I didn't check the box beforehand. So I'm happy I wore green because it kind of matches. So this is what it looks like in the front. Super cute. It ties a little bit. Okay. So it goes on like that. And y'all, tell me that's not cute. That is so cute. I wonder if I can wear like, I can't wait to do like half up, half down styles. Or like a ponytail. I'm gonna have to play with it a little bit. And do like some ponytail styles. And let me show you guys what it looks like if I were to wear my hair in a ponytail. Need a headband that's covered. And I would do like the cutest little bun. I wish I had a rubber band, but I don't. And y'all, tell me that's not cute. That's beautiful. I love it. Okay, let me show you the other headband. I don't know what headband I'm wearing today. Y'all look like, I look like my hair just naturally like this. Like, okay. I feel like I did like a braid out on my hair. I wish my hair was this thick. My hair was this thick. I could easily do a braid out on my hair and it look like this. Okay. Okay. And this is the second headband. And it's just like the first one, just a different pattern. And this one is equally as cute as well. So, yeah. This is the wig. Like I said, it's 14 inches. This is the water wave texture. This wig wasn't even $60, y'all. This wig is probably about like 56, 57, around that, just depending on, I guess, where you are with shipping and everything. But I do know for a fact it was less than $60. So you guys make sure you pick up this wig. I have all the information down in the description box below. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys.